Hey guys, I have a new wallet to show you. It is in order. It is gray with the purple Nike logo on it. And it is clear taped over already. And then inside it has a V pocket, 2 normal pockets, 3 pockets over here, a hidden right here, and then you flip it up and there is an ID right here. And then 3 more pockets, and another hidden pocket. So I'll go ahead and show you the ID. ID right there, and then the 3 pockets, 3 pockets, 3 pockets, hidden, and then another hidden. And they do go in all the way. And then the V pocket, and then 2 card pockets, and then the billfold, which happens to be purple. So this one isn't pressed yet, but you can see how thin it is, and it hasn't even been pressed yet. So this is a wallet order. Thank you guys for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, and request. Make sure you guys watch my other videos and order a wallet if you want. So see you guys later. Bye.